Today I'm outside of Sisters, Oregon and heading up Middle Sister Volcano for some spring splitboarding. It's early in the season, so on this day in April 2023, remaining snow on the Forest Service roads prevented me from accessing Pole Creek Trailhead. I had to pull over and start a couple miles further from the summit than expected. Alright, I'm at Middle Sister. I'm getting a start around 7:20 in the morning. It's a pretty nice day, but I'm hoping to have good luck with the weather. This extra distance I'm walking is going to add some time. I'm worried about losing visibility 2 in the afternoon or so. Blossoming out of a cocoon. Look what I found. This is Ryan, my roommate from 5 years ago. Yeah. What are the odds? Just over 2 hours in, just took a break, crossing Soda Creek.
I'm taking on lots of snow.
Yeah,
look at all that.
Oh, no, yeah.
So much weight. They're so heavy.
Yeah,
They're so heavy.
Break time. Okay, here's the deal. The snow is very soft and it's not steep enough. So I'm gearing up for a pretty long day. I'm gonna be stuck in this sticky deep snow. This is just wide open, son. Hayden Glacier. Woo! I'm glad to see I'm not alone. Topping 8,300 feet, so less than 2,000 miles to go. Feet. Who knows how many miles to go? Not too many. Got a low vis condition, but been watching these clouds carefully and still a very tolerable amount of wind. So I'm pausing. The only reason is because I'm dripping wet and I need to slow down and prepare for a colder interface here. I gotta say, I'm looking up at this thinking, what's the point in taking my snowboard? Made it! I think I have like 600 feet to go, maybe 500, I'm not sure. But I just hit the point where I'm gonna need to put my crampons on because I'm really starting to slip. That's why I need crampons. All right, I stopped to put my crampons on and the homies are actually catching up. I can hear them. So I'm gonna keep chipping away. Frustrating. Did you go pearly gates?
No, Deschutes,
all the way?
Climbers left.
Cool.
Okay, so we came up through West Crater.
This is what the last little bit looks like. So it's been a fantastic day because I've linked up with these people who were the only other ones out here, and everybody's stuck with it, and everybody's about to summit, which is just warm and fuzzy. I never doubted y'all for 1 second.
I wish everyone had thought of a bubbly, but nice work.
Sick.
Well done.
No high fives to the car.
Okay.
Come on now. We're only halfway through this journey.
I can never enjoy food like I can after climbing a mountain.
Oh, dude.
It's like whatever you want, bucko.
Like, you could pack it away, and you're still probably going to be calorie neg. But safe way down.
Yeah,
See you next
live.
time.
Keep living.
Yeah.
All right, they're going on the south ridge. I have to go back down the north ridge to get my stuff. So I'm just gonna get enough footage to show you the surface, and you'll understand why this is not that fun, that it's really technical. I cannot go any further that way than I just did. This board can handle this condition. But it sucks. I can't ride these. Okay, I can see my stuff down there. Actually, I'm gonna ride the rest of this. Hell yeah. See, this is worth paying a little money. Tickle me. See those turns? They're real turns. Just like that. See, if the wind was blowing this hard when I got up here earlier, I would have been nervous. It's 4 o'clock. I was worried about the weather changing after 2, so I was pretty close. Alright, this is the Hayden Glacier. I'm about to do a little bit of riding. I worked for this, man. I worked for this. I don't even care about bombing. This is just such a pleasant ride. Sunny! I'm trying to make it last because it's so good. The overcast came in clutch. It's good. I'm riding complete circles, girl. Oh, the sun has ruined the snow. It's sticky. Oh yeah. Thou shalt prevail. Can't move. I can't snowboard. I have to take my board off
and skin downhill. Okay, I managed to swap back into my skins without totally losing my mind. And I'm telling you what, there's a long way to go. I don't feel like doing it. From here on out, it's all about not getting sunburned and daydreaming as much as possible. I mean, this shit's deep and soft for Big Daddy over here. Oh well, look, here we are. I'm accurate, baby. I'm accurate. Ooh, my legs hurt worse when I stop than while I'm going. That's how I know. That's how I know. Okay, so I'm back at the trailhead. Look at this giant tree that fell over right on the beginning of the trail. Pretty neat. Lifted up that fence. Got a Saturn V burn rate, and yeah, we're on the 3rd chamber, but we're gonna make orbit. Well, I can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm at that point. I can see the cars. Just in time. All right, I did it. I don't know what else to say. I'm whooped. Came in at 11 hours and 20 minutes. More to come.